Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift with a BMW M5. First, completely disable traction control and dynamic stability control. This gives you full command. Next, switch to manual gear mode. This is crucial for precise power delivery. Always find a large, empty, and safe area to practice, and ensure your tires are in good condition. To initiate a drift, approach a corner at a moderate speed. As you turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner, quickly apply a burst of throttle. This will cause the rear wheels to lose traction. Immediately countersteer in the opposite direction to catch the slide and control the car's angle. Sustaining the drift requires a delicate balance. Use the throttle to control your speed and the amount of wheel spin. Small adjustments to the steering wheel will help you maintain the desired drift angle. Always look ahead to where you want the car to go, guiding your M5 smoothly through the turn. To exit the drift, gradually and smoothly reduce the throttle. As the rear wheels begin to regain traction, gently straighten the steering wheel. Allow the car to settle and point in the desired direction. Once stable, you can accelerate out of the corner, ready for your next controlled slide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.